Hi everyone, this is my app for reviewing comic books. So basically you'll have the ability to view a list of comic books, add some books to it, um, see some authors and genres and add them as well, and also associate comic books with authors and genres, and add your own reviews to the comic books. So to get started, let's create an account. So let me just type in a username here, and an email, and a password. So it's just like a normal user registration area, and then you get logged in by default. You can also go to a login screen, which asks you for your username and password, but here, let's get to the fun stuff. So you can go to a list of all comic books, and here you go. Each one is in its own box, has author, genres, if they've been added yet, and it's a clickable link to the comic book's individual page. Over here, you can see the details again, the top level things about the author and genres, and you can add some reviews. You can see the reviews posted here once they're done. So over here, I'll say, let's just say something basic: good story and art. Then let's just give it 5 stars on an auspicious note for this review. And there we go, that's where our reviews show up. So if you want to change something about this review, you can click Edit. And let's say the art is competent but a little predictable. And let's see how that edit turns out. Well, there we go. And if you want to edit the book itself, you go over here. And as you can see, there's checkboxes for genres. You can do this. All right, so nothing too difficult there. Over here, you can go to your profile, and it's a list of all your reviews. Let me show you how this looks on one of my other user accounts, which I've been using some more. Let's see. So there we go, I have 2 reviews on here. And now let's go to the authors page. So it's a list of all the authors that have been added so far with their comic books as well, which you can click on. And there we go, it's our old familiar comic books page. If you want to add an author, you go here, and you basically just create them by name. I mean, your other option is when you're editing a comic book, as you saw before, or when you're adding them, like here, you can type an author here, and it'll create them for you. Now with genres, it's more of a closed list. You're going to have to add them over here. That's just to keep the app from getting spammed with too many genre names when there's really only a handful out there to begin with. So let's try something out here. How about Westerns? I guess they haven't really been around much in a while as far as comic books go, but let's try it out. And there we go. Now, I think this Darth Vader comic counts under that category, actually. So let's try this out. And there you go. That's how you manage a comic book's authors, descriptions, genres, and reviews.